Get acquainted with the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Satisfy your desire for adventure in comfort and style in this highly efficient CR-V Hybrid. You'll love its distinctive minimalist layout, spacious cabin equipped with an impressive suite of desirable infotainment tech, and its generous array of standard driver assist safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, backup camera. Standout style blends beautifully with eco-friendly efficiency in this handsome CR-V Hybrid. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.